Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's a little after 7 a.m. and it's not as warm today. I'm going to try to work on this fence a little bit later on today. Right now we're going to try to milk Bella. First, Bella's got to look around, see anything new.
Good morning. Your breakfast is ready.
Well, Bella's milked. Brandy was on top of the tarp again, so I'm going to have to re-stretch that. What a brat. Right now I'll get ready to go to Hidden Treasures thrift store and drop off the decals we made them. Okay, we're pulling up to Hidden Treasures thrift store. Can't hardly see through the windshields. My son borrowed the truck and it's got bugs everywhere on it. I've dropped off the decals. I'll check out some tools here. I get new tools in all the time. Some fishing gear. Some old oilers.
What's that? Oh, you're talking.
And the battery chargers on here.
You're thinking about.
Well, a lot of good deals in there. Nothing I need today. Some stuff I might need in the future, though. It's time to go feed the animals at the barn. Found I had some cracks and some eggs, so the pigs will get a treat. Go a long way. Make sure these goats aren't tearing things up. I take their shade back to figure out something else. Yeah, they're using the shade. It's just not all the way across them. Yeah. Hey, Harold. Harold. Harold, you want an egg? Harold. There you go. Watch my fingers. Alright, Penelope wants an egg. She always wants an egg. Whoops, she dropped it. See, that boy wants an egg. Here, buddy. There you go. Come on. You want this or not? There you go. Okay. Penelope wants another one. Yeah, maybe. If the boy gonna let you. Yeah, he's not gonna let you, has he? There. Oh. Well, you wouldn't have dropped it. You'd have it. There, that's the last one. There. Well, all the animals got their food and some clean water. The chickens gave me 6 more eggs. I had 6 this morning. Found one had a hole in it, so Harold got an extra egg. I haven't got much done down here at the barnyard. These 2 panels are just tied up there. Just for a temporary, because they got to be put there anyways. I've been working on the Chevy pickup. It has a few issues, so it's what's been taking my time. Well, my son flushed a radiator. He used stuff to break down the rust. Apparently it needs to happen again. Yeah, I got another egg from the chicken. That's good. We're down here. We're gonna milk Bella and grain the pigs. Well, the milk machine's not working, so we say I had to hand milk. That's not good. So I was working on soldering some of the wires back together, and we're also flushing the radiator more because it is really yucky. Try to get the wiring right for the battery. The negative is actually hooked up right, and fix the positive side. We still need to get the right mount and all that stuff, but at least it's wired correctly. We flushed the radiator multiple times, and it's still brown. When we got the truck last year, that's the way it came. We checked it before winter for the antifreeze level, and it read really good, but it was brown. So we flushed the radiator with some special stuff over the weekend, and it didn't seem to change anything, so we ran water through it over and over and over today. Tomorrow I'm going to take a trip to go do some stuff with the tractor club, and I'll run it, get back, we'll try to flush it again. Hopefully we can get the rust out of it before we put antifreeze back in it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.